though I haven't.
Oh my gosh! Oh.
Okay.
It's cold!
Taste it.
Oh, ugh.
Oh.
What the heck? Might be one of my least favorites. Oh god.
I feel
Oh,
like the
I
color
know what
red.
that
Like,
is.
I feel like it's like a red or an orange.
I feel like it's brown.
Or like a tangerine
Oh.
color.
Okay. Gabby,
I don't know,
what do you think the flavor is?
Flavor.
Chili.
Katie, what do you think the flavor is?
Bacon.
Sophia, what do you think the
Wait.
flavor is?
It kind of tastes like rotten bacon, actually.
Celia, what do you think it is?
I think it's bacon.
Just say one.
Bacon.
Fine.
I think it's bacon or it's bacon.
All right, you guys, it's bacon.
Yeah!